channel. Today we will be looking at Linux and recover accidentally deleted files. What program should we use for this? Most will argue to use a text-based and to find it in the terminal. This is what a terminal looks like. So obviously you would type something in there like test disk for instance, and test disk usually is a terminal program to find problems. So what would be an alternative, a good one that's actually visual and uses a GUI that you can visually use? I'm going to suggest this one called RLinux. As you can see, here's the interface of what it looks like. It will scan for your files. And, you know, when it's done scanning, it will bring up a bunch of folders here like it shows. And it shows all these different folders that you can like see what the X is. It'll say like, oh, this is deleted on your hard drive, your files. You got music, PC, books. Like this was on my SD card and it got deleted by accident. I had like a bunch of college books I accidentally lost. So I found this nifty little program for Linux and it's been working like a charm. So what is RLinux? RLinux is a free Linux recovery software. RLinux is a free file recovery utility for the extension 2, extension 3, extension 4. These are file systems that Linux uses, unlike Windows that uses NTFS or FAT32. So this is basically if you have like a Linux file system and you just want to recover files, or you know, pictures, PDFs, videos, things like that, and you accidentally put them in the trash can and you deleted them. Anyways, it goes on to say the file system used in the Linux OS in several Unixes. RLinux uses the same intelligent scan technology as RStudio. And then it goes on, yada yada yada, and flexible perimeter settings to provide the fastest and most reliable, and the usual advertisements they're going to put on a lot of these softwares. So I'm going to leave some links in the description. I'm going to leave some archived ones as well if you go down below the video. Yeah, there's some here like there are two variants of RLinux. There's one for Linux and one for Windows. I'm not sure what the Windows one does because I never looked it over. So maybe I can do another review on that some other time. Anyways, here's some more sources I'm going to provide. It's getting silly here, the mouse. Anyways, it's I got two of them here. Ask Ubuntu, and it says questions, how to recover deleted files. The second one is RStudio for the recovery file software. Here's more stuff. The Windows variant says from their documentation of RLinux that it can run on Windows 2000, XP 2003, Vista, Windows 7, yada yada yada, Windows 8, and whatever the heck comes after that. I'm not sure anymore. Windows kind of is just rolling stuff out of nowhere now for their operating systems. They don't really I don't even know what's going to come after Windows 8. I lost track after I quit on Windows XP, and I haven't really come back down. After I switched to Linux, it says Linux kernel 2.6 or above, so it sounds like they're going to continue this. Anyways, yeah. Let's see, what else do they have here? Removed by virus. Your files have been removed by a virus. The partition with the files have reformatted, damaged, or deleted. So this thing can do a lot of stuff. When the partition structure is changed or damaged, our Linux can scan the disk, trying to find the previous existing partitions and restore files found on those partitions. Ugh, I need something to drink. My mouth's getting dry. From the disks with the bad sectors, in this case, our Linux can first copy these entire disk or its part into an image file, and then process the image into the image file, and blah 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 blah. This is especially useful when new bad sectors are consistently appearing on the disk and remaining blah 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 blah. Information must be immediately saved. So, that's the review for this video. You can find the links below. I'm just going to leave them there archived. And the R Linux page to open in the comments. So, have fun. I hope you have a great time recovering your files on Linux. If you accidentally delete them, that is. Take care now. Bye bye.